Hello, hello. Good evening, everybody. Comcasters from everywhere and your associates. Good evening, everyone. Sorry to interrupt the chatter. I know you're having fun, and I'll try to make my remarks brief, which won't be difficult. I'm here really to help introduce the introducer of something very, very exciting. My name is Matt Fleury. I'm the president and CEO of the Connecticut Science Center. On behalf of our Board of Trustees, our staff, we want to welcome you to the Connecticut Science Center. It's great to have you here. We certainly aspire to be the emblem that stands for the tradition and heritage of innovation and the future and invention of which we're so proud here in Connecticut. And for that reason, it's wonderfully appropriate for us and exciting for us to host announcements of leading-edge technologies. That's what we're all about. And Comcast is certainly here to demonstrate once again why the company and really the industry is such an exciting player in the technological field. I was snuck in here today and had the opportunity to take a look at what's being presented, and we're pretty good at 3D here at the Connecticut Science Center. Comcast, in fact, we're proud to say, is one of our partners as a sponsor of the 3D Science Theater here at the Science Center, and it's one of the most popular elements of the attractions that we offer here. One of the things I'm acquainted with, but with a much less favorable experience, is golf. And in fact, as I was observing the very effective 3D picture here, I was reminded that for me, golf really has been largely a two-dimensional affair, and that's really the problem. It's been off this way and up this way. It's the trajectory that's the issue. And what Comcast has done for all of us is revealed, I think, finally, the great mystery of golf, which is it's the forward trajectory that makes the difference. And there's some here who certainly, Dave Elliott from the Science Center here and Bob Brewer, both of whom helped create this place and are back with their Greg Norman attire after Dan the Lynx, who understand that much better than I do. Gary Player, sorry. Both of them were happy to see the old guys doing well today. A certain affinity there, but it's nice to see you guys here. And again, just we're really pleased to have such a great partnership with Comcast, and pleased that you came here. And I want to thank Doug Guthrie in particular, Doug and his family. In addition to bringing the company's support to the company here, to the Science Center here, Doug and his family are personal supporters of the Science Center, and it really is that kind of personal leadership by the leading executives of this region that makes special things like the Science Center possible. So with that, I'd like to introduce Doug, thank him again for being here and for using this venue for this great announcement.
Thanks very much. It's a great turnout. We're really pleased to be one of the few places in the country that are hosting this kind of event. But on behalf of Comcast, I want to thank Matt and the Science Center for helping us put this on today, and to be able to show you this cutting-edge technology and really the innovation of Comcast and our partnership with the Masters allows us to take this, this product, this innovation, bring it directly from the golf course to our Comcast Media Center and out to all of our customers. And as an early adapter myself, I'm pretty excited about 3D technology, but I think when I looked at it for the first time yesterday, I realized why it was that this is really going to catch on. And according to the studies, 1 million 3D TVs will be sold this year, and up to 14 million by next year and 40 million by 2014. So the adoption rate is going to be almost the same as HD TV. And the content's going to continue, and it's going to be sports and movies at first, and then it's going to continue on into other programming. So I think, if you get a chance, put the glasses on. I want to thank our engineering team, Joe Sonarelli and Andy McCarthy. Where are you guys? Raise your arms. In the corner, engineers for putting this together. If you have technical questions about shutter speed, Joe's the guy to talk to, and Andy can help you understand how we hooked it up. But essentially, the customers who've adopted this technology have gotten themselves a 3D TV. They're hooking it up to a Comcast standard HD box, and we're putting it out over our channel. You put on the glasses, and with the IR and an HDMI cable, you're good to go for 3D. So we wanted to demonstrate that. We have HD there to the right, so you can kind of see the difference. And I think when you put the glasses on, you have to remind yourself that your brain has been trained to look at HD TV in a certain way. That is your reality, and HD has gotten really good for sports. with 3D, it adds that dimension, that level of depth that's going to make golf amazing, and it's going to continue to make other sports and other programming amazing as well. And you have to retrain your brain to say, this is what the reality is like, and it's very much like looking out a window, and we're very excited about that. So this is the next generation of 3D coverage. We'll continue to bring it to you. We feel that for our the experts who've worked to put this together, it's been an incredible partnership, both with the Masters, with the folks at Sony, ESPN, and Comcast. But if you have questions, we want you to stop over and ask, and we're just pleased to be able to bring this demonstration to you today and to continue to provide up to 2 hours of coverage to our customers over the next few days through the Masters event. I also remind you that Brian Fernie's here. He's our resident golf expert, and Brian is running a little putting clinic over there, or maybe he's just giving away some prizes. But be sure to get your Xfinity Callaway gift bag on the way out, and thanks again for coming out this afternoon. We really appreciate the support. Good thing.